Hey, what's up, guys? Neil FPV here. Yep, you're right. This is a 3D printed model, and I decided to revive or resurrect my Apex frame. And I bought it in 2020, and I used it for 2 years. And due to so many crashes, the top plate broke and it just started collecting dust. So today I decided to revive it. And the reason why I decided to do it was because the other quad that I was using, specifically the Ledrib frame, I think it is high HD something, HD Sky, something like that. It's a very nice frame, though it's heavy, and and sometimes there are cases when there are some moves that I want to do, but it's just so heavy. You know what I'm talking about. So today open up I opened FreeCAD and built a replacement plate. And yeah, so this is the first version, and I didn't like it. Um, though the holes and the distance between holes are perfect, I didn't like the way it looks. It looks like a butt. Yeah, this part. So I came up with another version. This look a little better. Yeah, but something's wrong with my 3D printer, and I figured it out. It's the extrusion. It's just too much. I need to calibrate it. And yeah, that's the version 2, all done this in the same day today. And then this is the final version, version 3. That just focus on the top plate. So yeah, it came out really nice, and look at the butt. It's nice. See, it looks like the original plate from the bottom part. Yeah, that part. See? Yep. And then the thickness of that is like 5 millimeters, which is wrong because it's only supposed to be like 3 millimeters. Yeah, because of the extrusion. And then the front part was only supposed to be 1.75 millimeters, but it became like 3.5 millimeters, which really sucks. And the reason why I have to only put 1.75 millimeters is because I'd like to put like a metal, like 1 millimeter or maybe half millimeter metal plate, which will run from that part up to this part. So that way, let's say if I crash like really hard on concrete, it's not gonna break this part. Yeah, this part. Because it's PLA. Okay. So putting a metal here, metal plate there, from there to here, yeah, I think it's gonna make it really strong. Or if I have a CNC cutter, but unfortunately I don't have. If I did, I'm gonna buy a 1 millimeter or maybe 1.5 millimeter plate, aluminum plate from Home Depot, and then I'm just gonna cut this. Yeah, or maybe I can. If I think I can send a DXF format to some companies here, but you know how much would that cost? I think that would cost just one piece $30. Yeah, so it's a good money. It's a good business. Yeah, guys. So yeah, look at that. Oh, why, Neil? Why is the angle of your GoPro camera so low? Yep, it's only 5 degrees. You're right. So that when I invert it, I can still cruise. You know what I'm talking about? Yep, your guess is right. That's it. I want to do some experiment this year. Yeah. Alrighty, that's all I wanted to share. And so far it's like maybe 30 grams lighter than my Ledrib frame. And again, this frame is an Apex clone, which I bought from AliExpress. Yeah, took a lot of beating, which is not bad. Yeah. Yep. And hopefully this will survive some heavy crashes. Yeah, this plate, this part, because it's only PLA. I think it will. And this is the $11 thing that I shared before on YouTube. Look at this. This is huge. It's the same as those battery grip that we mount over here, but this is just $11. Yeah, guys, I bought it from Amazon, and it's thick. Yep, it's really nice. I like it. So I'm gonna mount it there. I'm gonna stick it here later. It's not really that sticky, but on carbon fiber, it sticks really well. I'm kind of afraid if it's gonna stick here because of the lines. If it doesn't, then I can just use the E6000 glue that I have here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna stick. Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to share. That's the nice thing about owning a 3D printer. Like back in the days, 3D printers are for show, right? But not anymore today. It's a necessity. I've done so many parts here at home using 3D printers, but mostly for my drone. Yeah, I also built a a foot or boots for my friends or office mates speaker grill, and he was so happy that he was able to mount the cover again. Yeah, I'm referring to the speaker grill, and he broke this part. Yeah, that part. Yeah, that part. And I built one for him, and he was so happy. Yeah, there's so many things you can do with 3D printers. It's just your imagination that's gonna be the limit. Alrighty, guys, can't wait to transfer all the parts from my Ledrib frame, from my Ledrib quad. Where is that thing? Let's see. Yeah, here. This is not the one. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah, this one. This one is the one. See, it's heavy. This is really heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna transfer all the parts here. Yep. And then move it right here. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. I may have to. Yeah, this antenna might not fit because it's too low. I may have to rebuild or repeat this one, or maybe the old mount that I have here, which is installed like horizontally like this. Yeah, I might do that. And then I'm not gonna use this new ESC yet. So yeah, the one I showed earlier. I think, yeah, this is so light. Yeah, this is heavy, really heavy. I don't know why it's so heavy. I think it's the thick arms, yeah. Plus all those things that I've added, the TPU, yeah, that's why it's so heavy. Yeah, I really like this, but it's just heavy. So dirty. Alrighty, guys, so hope you enjoyed this series again. If you have any questions, just let me know, guys. Alright, maybe one of these days I'm gonna give out a working quad. Yeah, a raffle. free quad for everyone. Maybe, yeah, you know what? I think that's a good thing. I'm gonna give out a working quad. Analog, of course. I have a brand new analog camera here, and also a brand new analog receiver that I have not used yet. So we can install that. Brand new frame. I have another frame here that I have not been using for years. I can give that away. Yeah, guys, do you like it? Maybe, yeah. We'll see. Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to share. I need to rest now. I'm going to California on Saturday. I'll be flying with my brother-in-law. I'm glad I'm not sick anymore. I was off. I was feeling off this morning when I got up. But yeah, around afternoon I felt better. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, that's all I wanted to share. And let me know, guys, if you want something, if you want me to talk about something. Let me know. Please comment in the. Just please comment. That's it. Alright, guys. Later. Good night.